In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google Ads for Shopify store in few steps. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by installing the Google Channel app inside your Shopify admin. Head to Apps, search for the Google and YouTube channel, and install it to connect your store. The app creates a bridge between Shopify and Google, simplifying product feeds and ad creation. Take a moment to confirm your store details and accept any permissions the app requests so it can access product data and order information. Next, link your Google accounts through the app. The installation flow will prompt you to connect Google Ads and Google Merchant Center. If you already have accounts, follow the sign-in flow to grant access. If not, the app can create them for you. Linking these accounts makes it possible to show your products in shopping ads and across Google properties. Make sure the Merchant Center has your product feed and that your store meets basic requirements like clear pricing and shipping info. Conversion tracking comes next, and it's essential. Use the app to enable tracking so purchases and other key actions are recorded in Google Ads. This allows Google to report on sales and optimize campaigns toward actions that matter. Verify that the tracking is working. Look for conversion events in your Google Ads account after a test order or via the diagnostics in the app. Accurate conversion data is what helps AI-driven campaigns learn and improve. When you're ready, create your campaign. The app makes this straightforward and often recommends a Performance Max campaign, which uses Google's AI to find customers across search, shopping, YouTube, and more. Performance Max is a good starting point because it leverages your product feed, creatives, and conversion signals to optimize placements automatically. Provide basic campaign details as the app asks for them. Set a clear campaign name that matches your internal naming conventions. Define a daily budget that aligns with your goals, and supply any required product or business information. This might include images, headlines, and business details that help Google generate ads. Be realistic with your budget at first and allow the campaign some time to learn. Finally, launch the campaign and monitor performance regularly. Check the Google Ads dashboard for metrics like conversions, cost per acquisition, and return on ad spend. Make gradual adjustments to budget, bids, or product focus based on results. Give the campaign a couple of weeks to stabilize before making major changes. And use reporting to refine which products or creative assets are performing best. With these steps in place, you'll be well on your way to running Google Ads for your